Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your draft reels on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the plus icon at the top right of your screen. A pop-up will appear. From here, select Reel. A new screen will show up where you'll see all your photos and videos. At the top, you'll notice an option called Drafts. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a screen displaying all the reels you've saved as drafts. From here, you can scroll through your drafts to find the one you want to view or edit. Once you've found it, tap on the draft reel to open it. If you want to make changes, now, you can update your reel by adding music, text, or effects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.